welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm about to show you how to get a free USA phone number. It's free. You have to follow the steps I'm about to teach you carefully. Do not miss any steps. So in order for us to get our free USA number, we need to get two apps, that is VPN Hub and Virtual SIM. All these apps are available on the Google Play Store or the App Store if you are using an iPhone. So let's start. First, I'll open my Play Store. Then I'll type VPN Hub. So here is it. It has shown here, so I'll click on it. So here's the app. So I've already downloaded the app on myself. So what I need is to just open it. This is how the app looks like. So immediately the app opens, you see select location. You click on it, select location. Then you click on what? Las Vegas. That is what? United States. It's not always that you have to click on Las Vegas. At times the states or the states can change. At times it can be Atlanta, at times it can be Charlotte, but at this moment it is Las Vegas. So I'll click on Las Vegas. Then it will connect. So after it's connected, then I'll go back to Play Store. I'll go back to my Play Store. Then I'll type the second app that I told you guys earlier. That's virtual SIM. This is it. So immediately I type, it will load. So this is how the virtual SIM is like. I've already downloaded it on my device. So what I just need to do is to just open it. So this is how the app looks like. So after I've opened it, I have to sign in with a valid Google account. So I'll sign in. So it's loading. So I'll sign in with my account. So now I'll input my first name. Let's say let's say J. I'll type my first name, that's J. Then my last name, Hub. Then I'll input the email that I selected earlier. That is what. So after that, I'll click on this icon. Then I'll move straight to my phone number. So now this is the number. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In case you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.